Why are ice cream machines always broken in stores? The truth is more complicated and surprising than you think, revealing a mix of technology, maintenance, and even business strategy behind those frustrating signs. One major reason ice cream machines appear broken is the mandatory cleaning process. These machines require a thorough cleaning cycle that can last several hours. This is not just about hygiene but safety, as dairy products can quickly spoil or harbor bacteria if the machine is not cleaned properly. This cycle often happens overnight or during slow business hours, making the machine unavailable and giving the impression it is broken when it's really just being sanitized. Ice cream machines are sophisticated devices with sensitive components like compressors, refrigeration units, and precise temperature controls. Because of this complexity, they often malfunction or need repairs. Not every store has staff trained to fix these issues immediately. As a result, machines can remain out of order for extended periods. The technical nature of these machines means even minor faults can take time and specialized technicians to resolve. Ice cream machines in busy stores face heavy use, especially during hot seasons or peak hours. Constant operation strains the machinery, increasing the risk of breakdowns. Overuse leads to faster wear and tear on parts, which must be replaced often. This high-demand cycle means machines are more likely to be out of service for maintenance or repairs, frustrating customers who just want a quick treat. Beyond technical reasons, business factors play a role. Repairing or maintaining ice cream machines can be costly, so some stores delay fixing them to save money. This means machines might stay out of service longer than needed. Additionally, some chains use machines with software that restricts usage or signals errors to encourage staff to follow strict cleaning schedules, which customers sometimes mistake for breakdowns. So next time you see that dreaded "machine is broken" sign, remember it's often a mix of safety rules, complex technology, and business choices behind it. It's not just bad luck, but a layered reality of keeping your ice cream safe and tasty. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.